Everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of messages deleted on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings. In this page here, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list, you will go to above here and you can search about Messenger. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode to fix problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.